A thing of beauty, 40 important multiple choice questions. Question number 1. According to the poet, a thing of beauty is never joyful, creates sadness, a joy forever, horrible to look at. So, what is the correct option for us? A thing of beauty is a joy forever. The very first line in the poem. Next question. The beauty of lovely things increases, decreases, gets divided, always is short lived. So, what is the correct option for us? Its loveliness, its beauty increases with the passage of time. Next one, name the poet. Who is the poet of Endymion, a poetic romance from where this poem, A Thing of Beauty, is taken? John Milton, John Donne, John Keats, none of these. I hope you know the answer. John Keats. Next one. Will keep a bar quiet for us means. What is the meaning of this phrase? Will keep a bar quiet for us. Will give us peace and calm. Will stop unpleasant sounds. Will make our beds fit to sleep. Reduce noise pollution. I hope you have answered it correctly. Will give us peace and calm. Next one. Full of sweet dreams means. What is the meaning of full of sweet dreams? Pleasant and peaceful sleep, disturbed sleep, nightmares, wishes coming true. The very first option, pleasant and peaceful sleep. Now the next one, every morning we all are. What are we doing according to the poet? Brushing our teeth, having breakfast, reading a flowery band, getting ready to go to work. According to the poet, we all are reading. Are we reading from the text? Reading a flowery band. Next one. What kind of a poet was John Keats? Realistic, religious, medieval, romantic. You must know John Keats was a romantic poet who died in the year 1821 at the age of 25 years. At an early age of 25 years. The flowery band, according to the poet, helps to bind us to the earth, make us look beautiful, give a present of flowers to friends, to make a band covered with flowers. It's very easy from the textbook. Bind us to the earth. A flowery band, according to the poet, helps us to bind us to the earth. Next one. Who is Endymion? A young child, an office boy, a worker, a young shepherd. Endymion is the hero of the epic, a young shepherd who falls in love with Selene in original story. And furthermore, The poet renames John Keats, renames the heroine as Cynthia, the moon goddess. So, what is our correct option? A young shepherd. Spite of despondency refers to, what is the meaning of spite of despondency? Sadness and depression, health and well being, suffering and pain, hatred and greed. So, what is the correct option? Sadness and depression. Next one. What are the things of beauty mentioned in the poem? Sun and moon, young trees and streams, clear rills, flowers, all of these. It's very easy. All of these. Question number 12. Inhuman death, according to the poet, is a reference to, what is the meaning of inhuman death? Actually, dearth means lackness. So, what is the correct option for us? Lack or shortage of human beings with good values. Option C. Lack or shortage of human beings with noble natures. What moves the pall from our lives? Pall, clouds, clouds of sadness, some strong winds, strong bonds, strong friendships, some shape of beauty. So, what is that thing? Some shape of beauty. Some shape, alliteration. Who are mighty dead in the poem? Dead people, dead relatives, dead plants, great respect worthy ancestors, especially dead emperors. So, what is the correct option for us? Great respect worthy ancestors, especially dead emperors. Now, the next one, 15. From our dark spirits is a reference to, what is the meaning of from our dark spirits? Our dampened and demoralized spirits, dark colored ghosts, unhappy moments, the happy side of our personality. So, what is the correct option for us? Our dampened and demoralized spirits. Option A. Next one. What does morrow mean? What is the meaning of morrow in the poem? Morning time, present time, noon time, the next day. Yes, the next day. Question number 17. The sun, moon, trees, old and young are the things that depress us, remove the pall of gloom from our lives, make us laugh, give us oxygen. So, according to the poet, remove the pall of gloom from our lives. These are the beautiful things for simple sheep. What circumstances make man happy? Chilly cold waves on mountains, moisture of flowing rivers, crowded places, tendency of hopelessness. So, what is the correct option for us? It's very easy. Tendency of hopelessness. 19. What is sprout a shady boon for sheep? Human beings, creepers, trees new and young, trees old and young. From the textbook, trees old and young. And what is this? trees old and young. An example of antithesis, the poetic device. What is the poetic device used here? Antithesis. 20. Daffodils are yellow colored flowers, red fruit of a tree, name of a bird, name of an insect. Daffodils are yellow colored flowers, white colored flowers. So, if in the option these two are given, whether yellow or white, you will go with that option. Daffodils are yellow colored or white colored flowers. 21. Sheep could also be referred to mountainous animals, human beings, harmless creatures, animals of prey. Yes, this can also be referred to human beings. Option B. 22. Example of alliteration from the poem. Alliteration, when letters or sounds are repeated. So let's see in the options. A thing of beauty. No, no letter is repeated. Simple sheep. S. S. Repeated. A flowery band. No, none of these. This cannot be because we have an option. So what is the correct option for us? Simple sheep. Next one. By green world they live in means. What is the meaning of green world they live in? Daffodils, green surroundings, greenhouse effect, green walls of the house, green forest. The very first option. Daffodils, green surroundings. 24. Clear rills are the. What is the meaning of clear rills? Rills, small stream, small river, clean windows, streams of clear water, clear thoughts, clear solutions. Yes, streams of clear water, clear rills. 25. Example of inversion from the poem. When a sentence is not written in normal order, when normal order of a sentence is reversed, that is known as inversion. Let's see the options. Some shape of beauty, of noble natures, are we reading? All of these. Some shape, alliteration, noble natures, alliteration. Are we reading? Actually, it must be we are reading, but it is written are we reading? Inversion. So, what is the correct option? Are we reading? Option C. 26. Cooling covert means. Cooling covert. Covert, an open space. Cooling, it's very clear. Cool shelter of thickets. Cooling effect of AC air conditioner. A cold drink. Cooling clothes. Very first option, cool shelter of thickets. Now the next one. What makes for itself a cooling covert against the hot season? You can simply answer this question. The sheep, the daffodils, the moon, the clear rills. Yes, the clear rills. Now the next one. What is anaphora? Another poetic device. What is anaphora? Whenever any word is repeated in two consecutive lines. So what is the correct option for us? Use of same word in two consecutive lines. This is known as anaphora. 29. The thick bushes in the mid forest have abundant growth of what? Watermelons, musk melons, musk roses, musk cells. So, what is the name of second flower mentioned in the poem? One is daffodils, another one musk roses. So, what is the correct option? Musk roses. Next one, 30. The poet talks about grandeur. Whose grandeur is he talking about? Dooms of mighty dead, tombs of our ancestors, grand palaces, grand towers. So, what is he talking about? Dooms of mighty dead. Next one, Endymion, a poetic romance, was published in which year? 1818, 1819, 1820, 1821. It was 1818, published by Taylor and Hesse. Taylor and Hesse. In which year? In the year 1818. 32. What are the things that are read or heard by us? Plays and classical music, novels and songs, lovely tales, poetry and western music. What are the things according to the poet? Lovely tales. Next one. Beautiful things never pass into nothingness means what is the meaning of beautiful things never pass into nothingness? That they never increase, never fade away, always bring unhappiness, create unpleasantness between friends. It's very easy, you can easily answer it. Never fade away. Now, the next one, 34. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem? A B A B B A A B B C C A B A C A C. None of these. You can easily check it from the textbook, from the stanzas. A A B B C C. So, what is the correct option? A A B B C C. Next one. The endless fountain is an image created by the poet to denote the everlasting joy given by beautiful objects, the continuous flow of water, fountain of blood, clear waterfall, denote the everlasting joy given by beautiful objects. So, what is the correct option for us? Denote the everlasting joy given by beautiful objects. 36. What does Endymion do to seek goddess? Goddess? Cynthia, Celine, moon goddess. What does he do? Dances, sings songs, reads scriptures, wanders through forest, woods. Yes, the last option. Wanders, roams here and there through forest. 37. Immortal drink of the endless fountain is a reference to the continuous flow of sacred water, water of Ganges, water of Yamuna, water from the tap. Very first option, the continuous flow of sacred water. 38. What is a bar? What is the meaning of a bar? A river, a stream, a big tree, a shady tree. It's very easy. What is this? This is a shady tree. Second last question in this video. I would like to remind you, I'll provide you a question for you and you are going to tell me the answer in comment section. The immortal drink pours on human beings, animals, insects, none of these. The immortal drink pours on human beings. Question number 40. The endless fountain gets its immortal drink from? From where? The river banks, the tap, the waterfall, heaven's brink. From where? It's very easy. From heaven's brink. It's time for the question for you. And you are going to tell me in comment section the answer for this question. Example of antithesis from the poem. I have told you the example of antithesis in the video itself. So you are going to tell me the example of antithesis from the poem where in comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video.